Today in front of me I have the ARLO Pro 3 bundle, and in this video I will show how you can check the camera's battery life. So if you would like to see the amount of battery life you have left in your camera or cameras, take your phone, then launch the ARLO Secure app. Here enter the devices section, then tap, from here even you can see the amount of the battery that your camera has left. If you would like to check an exact percentage of the power that is left, just open the camera feed, go into camera settings, and here you have it. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.